You are watching Plotagon channel, the best place for grounded series. Coming up next is Classic Caillou Gets Grounded, only on Plotagon channel. Good morning, Caillou. It's time for school. Now get ready. Hooray! I am ready as always. Good. Now eat breakfast while I call Rosie. Okay. Good morning, Rosie. It's time for school. Now get ready.
Hooray! Rosie is ready as always.
Good. Now eat breakfast while I call Classic Caillou.
Okay.
Rawr, classic freaking Caillou, freaking wake up, get your freaking ass freaking to eat breakfast and freaking go to freaking school.
No, I don't want to go to school. School is stupid as hell.
Classic freaking Caillou, get to freaking eat freaking breakfast and freaking go to freaking school freaking before I freaking call the freaking police freaking on freaking you.
Fine. I will go to school.
When the Andersons arrived at school.
Good morning, class. We are so proud that you came here today. Now, in science class, we are going to study about the solar system, but before we go, I want to remind you that tomorrow we will be having an show and tell at school. So, if you have anything to bring, feel free to bring anything in class tomorrow. Wow! Rosie is so excited for tomorrow. You're welcome, Rosie.
Welp, I think I doesn't have any idea what should I bring to class tomorrow. What should I bring? I know. I am going to bring a shotgun to school show and tell. I think this plan will be funny. Haha!
When the Andersons arrived at home.
Oh my gosh, this floating head glitch needs to stop. Plotagon, please patch this stupid glitch already. IT has been in here since 2017. Where's the shotgun? Yahoo! I found my shotgun. Now let's put in the backpack and wait for tomorrow before I get caught.
One day later.
Alright, class. It's time for show and tell. Clementine, what did you bring? I brought a bucket for sand castles from the beach. Let me see it. Good job. Clementine, go to the principal's office to get reward. Leo, what did you bring?
I brought a toy truck.
Let me see it. Good job. Leo, go to the principal's office to get reward. Sarah, what did you bring? I brought in Chinese sushi. Let me see it. Good job. Sarah, go to the principal's office to get reward. Doki, what did you bring?
I brought a cartridge of Super Mario World on Super Nintendo.
Let me see it. Good job. Doki, go to the principal's office to get reward. Floppy, what did you bring?
I brought a Walkman.
Let me see it. Good job. Floppy, go to the principal's office to get reward. Mimi, what did you bring?
I brought a doll that cries and talks mommy and daddy.
Let me see it. Good job. Mimi, go to the principal's office to get reward. Caillou, what did you bring?
I brought a teddy bear.
Let me see it. Good job. Caillou, go to TTHE principal's office to get reward. Rosie, what did you bring? I brought a Game Boy Color console. Let me see it. Good job. Rosie, go to the principal's office to get reward. Classic Caillou, you're late to class again. Anyways, Classic Caillou, what did you bring?
I brought a shotgun that kills everyone.
Let me see it. Classic Caillou, how dare you bring a shotgun to school? You know that will cause a school shooting. If you do it, then I would have called the cops if you did it. That's it. Go to the principal's office right now.
So what brings you here at my office?
Well, I have brought a shotgun at school show and tell.
Classic Caillou, how dare you bring a shotgun at school? That's it, you are expelled forever. Go home right now. When Classic Caillou got home. Classic Caillou, how dare you bring a shotgun at school? That's it. You are extremely grounded forever. Go to your room right now.